Yeah, this one I'm now back onto you. No, I'm not. That means I'm higher, which if you fall, I'm going to go out with this. Right. That's fine, okay. I didn't touch you. You got me. I didn't touch you like you got me.